how to update Instagram on iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone so that you get the latest features from Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we can do, both on an iPhone or Android phone, to update Instagram is to simply open up the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on your Android phone and just search Instagram. Once Instagram comes up, go ahead and select it. And if there is an update available where it says open on my phone, it'll say update. So you just select update, it'll download and install the latest version of Instagram, and then you will have updated Instagram. If for some reason after doing that, you don't have the latest features of Instagram or you don't have any updates available, what I recommend doing to make sure you get the latest version of Instagram is to simply uninstall Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it. So to uninstall Instagram on an iPhone, simply long press the Instagram icon, select remove app, and then select delete app. Confirm you want to delete it. To uninstall Instagram on an Android phone, all you need to do is again long press the Instagram icon and drag it up to uninstall. Confirm you do want to uninstall this app by selecting OK. Then just open up either the App Store or the Play Store, search Instagram, select it, and select install. This will ensure you download and install the latest version available of Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.